Good morning, class 10th student. Yesterday we learned about potential at a point. Today we will discuss about potential difference. Potential difference. What is potential difference? In electrical system, the potential difference between any 2 points in an electric field is more useful than absolute potential at any point. Means potential difference 2 पॉइंट के बीच का हम लोग निकालते हैं और ये इन इलेक्ट्रिकल सिस्टम में एब्सोल्यूट पोटेंशियल एट एनी पॉइंट के मुकाबले ज़्यादा एक्यूरेट होता है. लेट अस कंसीडर 2 पॉइंट A and B in electric field created by a charge. We know that every charge creates an electric field. Okay. Now, if the work done in bringing a charge Q from infinity to point B and to point A. So, the work done WB and this WA is work done. Now potential at A is denoted by VA is equal to WA upon Q, and potential at B, that is VB, is equal to WB upon Q. Then the potential difference between B and A is equal to VB minus VA, which is equal to WP minus WA divided by Q. Thus the potential difference between 2 points in electric field is defined as the amount of work done in bringing a 1 unit positive charge from one point to another. Please note that the potential difference between 2 points in electrical field is defined as the amount of work done in bringing 1 unit positive charge from one point to another. Now VB minus VA is equal to WB minus WA upon Q. Now this is formula of potential difference, and the SI unit of potential difference is equal to work done. The unit of work done is joule, and the charge unit coulomb, means joule per coulomb, which is equal to 1 volt. Okay. Now potential difference is sometimes abbreviated as PD. Potential difference is sometimes abbreviated as PD or PD. This PD, potential difference between 2 points in an electric field, is a scalar quantity. It is scalar quantity, and the unit of potential difference is volt, which is denoted by capital V. Of potential difference is denoted by capital V. which is volt. Thank you.